fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox another kit. I have been having so much fun doing small kits that I decided I would keep my streak going. Yes, they're smaller, which means they'd be easier to transport, but also they're smaller, which means I can complete more of them before we go on our move. And so yeah, that's what I'm doing. So let me get this one out of the box. It's the Dreamer Designs, as you can see. Let me get it out of the box and I'll be right back. So I've got the canvas relaxing, I've got my toolkit, I've got my drills. It's a round kit, as you can see, and we've got stickers and stuff. So I'm going to move those off to the side and let's look and see what we get in our toolkit. All right, so we get a lovely large branded tray. It's one of those that has the little spout at the front so you can dump your drills. It is kind of sparkly. It's got like gold glitter sparkles in there. I don't know if you can see that. We get a bag of bags. We get 2 purple scrunchies to go with our purple tray. We get 2 things of purple wax that are branded. We get some very pokey branded tweezers. And then we get, the little thing that goes in the divider that goes in the tray so you can separate your drills if you want to have more than one color. We get 2 diamond painting pens, a regular pen, and then this one is meant for ABs. And we get extra multi-placing tips. We get a 3, a 7, and then a straightener. So a pretty nice toolkit all in all, even if you don't get the fancy washi or the cover minder or whatever. I do like that the tray is nice and big. This isn't even that big of a kit, and it's nice to have that bigger size tray. And then we've got instructions. I never use those. And then we've got our stickers. They are pre-cut. And what kit am I going to be working on? I am going to be working on Halloween Gnome. Now, I was going to say I've done a kit by this artist, but did I? I think my penguin trio that I did, which was also from Dreamer Designs, was by the same artist as well. Although the penguins were square and this one is round. It's only 40 by 50. And you can see here we've got all of our pre-cut stickers. There are 50 colors, and it looks like we've got 1 crystal drill and 6 ABs. So all of these here are ABs. I'm excited about this one because it's round. There is going to be some multi-placing in the background, I think, that maybe will not be my favorite, but I think there's going to be enough confetti, his hat, the leaves, the pumpkin, all of that. I think there'll be enough that I'll be good with it. So that's the kit I'm going to be doing. Let me go grab the canvas. So here's the canvas. You can see we've got a little thumbnail up there with the title, 40 by 50. We've got a schematic on both sides with our 50 drills. And then we've got our drill field here. It's a nice thick cover sheet, so I like that. And we've just got this cute little like wizard witchy gnome with the hat and the broom. And then we've got a cat with a hat sitting on top of a jack-o'-lantern, and then all of these fall colored leaves, which honestly, the fall color scheme is kind of what drew me to this one. The fact that it was a gnome, but also just, I love the fall reds and yellows and orange is not typically a favorite color for me. So, okay, so it says it's 40 by 50. Let's measure. Now, if I measure edge to edge, it is 40. But remember that Dreamer Designs has that thing where like the image extends a row of drills about 1/4 of an inch out beyond the actual drill field, which I like because that makes it easier to frame. So 40 this way. Let's see if it's 50 this way. It's a couple millimeters under 50, but not bad. And I will, as always, take some B-roll so that you can see the whole thing since I can't quite get it all on the screen. But I can't wait to start working on this one. It's super cute and it's round. I have some hesitation about Dreamer Design squares. I think I've done 2 squares. I think I did my penguin trio was a square, and then I did a mermaid one that was a square. But I love their rounds. So let me get the drills out and we'll look at those. So for drills, we've got kind of a yellowy dark peach. We've got like a caramel brown, a dark peach, a dull yellow, kind of a mustard yellow, a dark gray, 2 different shades of peach, kind of a bright peach and then a more dark peach. some very, very dark brown, and some kind of sage green. And here's some of these fall colors. We've got like a burnt sienna, a slightly lighter color of that, like a dull orange, a dark brown, a dark blue, like a coral, like a light caramel color, a butterscotch, a dark green, and then a lighter green. Then we've got kind of an orangey peach, a very, very bright orange. I love that color. Like a pale gray, two different shades of like almost khaki. That one's like, it's almost green, sort of. A brown, a dark red, a dark green, and two different shades of like this kind of dark brownish red. This one's slightly lighter than this one. Then we've got some brown, some kind of brick red. That's only one bag of black, which is not much for a Halloween kit. We've got two different shades of gray, a dark gray and a lighter gray, a light green, kind of a milk chocolate color, a dark gray, a light gray, and kind of a burnt orange color. So this one should have the rest of our drills and then the special drills. So we'll look at those. So we've got kind of a dull yellow, a khaki color, kind of a very pale tan. And then we've got some ABs. We've got a yellow AB, a white AB, a red AB, an orange AB, and then kind of a golden yellow AB, a very pale yellow AB, and then we've got our crystal is just the clear crystals. So there's all of our drills. Now let's see, where do the crystals and all these ABs go? So our crystals are going to go here on the wizard's hat, or the witch's hat, however you want to look at it. So that's the only place those are going to go. Then our very light yellow ABs are going to go here on the buckle of the cat's hat. And then a few sprinkled in here and there in some of the leaves. Lighter kind of yellow AB is going to get sprinkled in the leaves, as is the darker yellow AB, so kind of all around, you'll see that sprinkled in. The red AB is here in the hat on the cat, so lots of ABs there. I don't see the red sprinkled anywhere in the leaves, one spot right there. Then white is going to be sprinkled all the way through this background here and through the beard. And then our last AB, which is the kind of true yellow AB, is here in the broom and various places around the leaves. This one is super cute. I can't wait to get started on this one. I'm going to have to find something to kit it up in because I'm running out of room. I've got so many things going on. I'm using up all the storage I didn't have packed away yet. So 50 colors, but a lot of them don't have too many drills, so I'll just have to see what I can do. But you'll probably see this one getting kitted up soon, because I imagine my other drills and chills kit won't take me very long, and neither will the Christmas one that I want to do, and then that leaves me time to do this one. And maybe I'll have sold my house by then. I don't know if this kit is still available. If it is, I'll link it down below. If it isn't, I'll just link to Dreamer Designs. I'm curious, has anybody done in this particular kit, or has anybody done a kit by this particular artist? I've seen her in several different stores, so just curious what other people's experiences are. Let me know with a comment down below. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.